And gentlemen, how are you? My name is Stephanie, aka Elle Woods. This is my first video for my newly developed channel, Elle Woods, Blonde Witch at Heart, YouTube / Elle Woods, Blonde Witch at Heart. I'm here to do my first unboxing video for Witch on the Rocks at YouTube, Witch on the Rocks for Sammy. I wrote on her Facebook yesterday that I would go ahead and do an unboxing video for her. I mean, I've done review videos for her after I've unpacked the box, but this is the first time I'm going to do a complete unboxing video so you can see all my reactions on tape. I did open the box and take out some of the packing material that she uses, because if I get those the packing popcorn things, if they get on the floor, my puppy is going to go ahead and eat them and shred them, and he can't eat that. So I took all the packing material out, but I swear I didn't look at anything, so this is going to be you'll see all my reactions. So let me try to get the box a little bit. Let me see, you can see it. You can see, I think Sammy's husband does writing all the fragiling on the box. So I want to thank him for that. Definitely, I'm sure I'm not her only customer. You know, she has a lot of customers, I'm sure. And I think he writes fragile on the box for everybody. So I want to say thanks for, taking the time to care about, that my package gets to me safely and unbroken. And of course, we do, us New Yorkers definitely, thank you for everything you're doing, in the police department there down in Texas. If it wasn't for, people like you helping on the other side of the United States, obviously, that New York wouldn't be as safe. So definitely do appreciate everything you're doing over there. Alrighty, let's get the unboxing. I'm excited. Oh, I'm excited. Let's see what's in there. Excited. Yay. Oh my god, there's a lot in here. Come on in here. I'm excited. So this is all the info that you get. There's a whole lot in here because I got a lot of orders in this box. I'm excited. She definitely packs this up really, really well. So I appreciate all that she does. Oh my god. Let's see what this is going to be. It's a rainbow fluorite. I'm super excited. I can't wait. Look how pretty she packages everything. She's awesome. Thank you, Sammy. Rock. I'm excited. Oh, gotta be careful with these little pieces of paper. I want the pup to get that. I'm excited. Oh my god. Look, and it fits my hand perfectly. This thing is beautiful. Oh my god, I'm super excited. Wow, and this part here, look, it's almost transparent that you can see through it. Oh, this is so awesome, Sammy. Thank you. I love this. This is awesome. Oh my god, it fits in my hand perfectly. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Love it. Super excited. Of course, there's more because I ordered a lot like I always do. She packages everything so amazing. I'm like, it's like Christmas. The pyrite! Oh my god, it looks just like the golden egg from Willy Wonka. That's why I had to get it. Who doesn't love Willy Wonka? Everyone does. Oh my god, look at it. It's perfectly egg-shaped. And I'm super excited because I didn't even know this one was coming in this box. So thank you, Sammy. Yay! I didn't know this one was coming. I thought this was going to be my next package. Very excited. Yay! Oh my god. So much. Look at this little bag you get. I think in here is some blue lace agate that I got. I have so many orders from her. I don't even pay attention to my PayPal anymore. It's just I want witchontherocks.com. My credit card will be crying when I get my bill, but that's okay. Oh, this one's knotted. Gotta get that knot out. Hold on a second. Sorry. Oh, just get the knot out. Okay, I got it. The Lemurian seed! Oh my god, I've always wanted a Lemurian. And everywhere I look, they're freaking $105 a piece for not even close to this size. So, thank you, Sammy, for finding me one when I saw it on your site last week. I was like, eat! Lemurian seed because 105 is just, it's crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at the inside of this thing. Oh my god, the energy coming from it is amazing. Look how perfectly clear that is. Look at the, I think, is that a window? My god, look how, it's like different than a regular clear quartz crystal. Oh my god, the energy coming from this is awesome. Check it out. But look at like the perfect, like clear inside. Look at that. Oh my god, turn the light on. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's amazing. Love it. I'm super excited. Still can't believe the pirate came in this package. Didn't know it was coming. Very excited. Let's see. Here we have blue lace agate. Look how pretty that is. I'm not going to take it out because there's a little piece in the bag. I don't want that to get on the floor, but look. Oh my god. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Super excited. Yay. Let's see. I love this more. Eek. See what we got. Just trying to get the knot out. Sorry. My light keeps going off on my computer. Doo-doo-doo. Looks like in here there's my lepidolite and peacock ore. Just trying to get the knot out. Sorry. Oh, here we go. It's coming out. I think I got it. Yeah, I think I got it. Okay, rather than you seeing me try to get the knot out of that one, I'll do that in a minute. Because we're going to have to go at that one with scissors. God, you package everything so awesomely well. Aha, got it. Got it. Okay. Okay, this one, let's get open a little easier. See what we got here. The pendulum. This is a Ligon pendulum. Oh my god, this thing is beautiful, Savvy. Oh my god. Love it, love it, love it. Beautiful. My tea kite. Lepidolite. Lepidolite? Am I saying that right? Yes, lepidolite. Beautiful. Margonite. And Demorite. 5 Demorite. Oh my god. Love everything, Sammy. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, I think I'm getting the knot out on this one. I try to do this really quick before my 15 minutes is up. I don't want to have to cut it because I love these bags. I carry them with me. Come on, knot. Come on. I'm getting it. Yay! Got it, got it. Let's see what's in here. Super excited. See what's in here. Whoop. We have peacock ore. Oh my god, this thing is beautiful. Let's see if I can open it. Let's get it out. Let's try to do this quick because I'm running on borrowed time because it's almost at 15 minutes. Oh my god, look at that. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my god. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. See, let me try to do this quick. And we have some pink agate. Love it. Love it, love it. Thank you, Sammy, for everything. I love everything. I think I still have a couple more orders. I think the Unakite and I forget what else. There's one other pump stone that I ordered. I don't remember now. Which one was it? I don't know. Unakite and oh, and the zebra, the jasper pump stone. Yeah, so I'm excited. Okay. YouTube.com/Elwoods Blonde Witch at heart. All right, thanks guys.